You gotta know when to hold 'em. Gotta know when to fold 'em. All right, I am no Kenny Rogers, that much is clear. But what I do know is how to make an awesome casino arch, and that's what I'm gonna teach you. I'm Sandy Masuri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons, and today we are going to learn how to make an awesome casino-themed arch. So sit back, get ready, and let's go. First of all, let's talk about the frame of the arch. So I have a video called Balloon Arch Frame, how to make a balloon arch frame, and it teaches you exactly how to make this frame. But very quickly, I'll just go over the mechanics of it. Everything you see here, you can get from your local hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace, wherever it is that you go. None of them are paying me, so we don't want to give preference to anyone. All right, and what we have here is we have a piece of wood that's cut to a 2x2. We have a flange that is bolted down to it, 3/4 inch. We have a 3/4 inch threaded pipe, and we have a piece of 1/2 inch EMT. And then we have Schedule 40 PVC. This is from the plumbing aisle. And it has the little bell connectors so that they connect together and kind of lock together. And then if you get, this one is 1/2 inch, which was a mistake. Really what you want is 3/4 inch, and if you get the 3/4 inch, you can just slide it right over your 1/2 inch EMT. But because I got 1/2 inch, all you have to do is just tape it to the EMT. So simple enough, easy problem to have a very simple solution. And these pieces, we've got 3 pieces. They're 8 feet each. They come in 10-foot lengths, so I had them cut down to 8 feet each. And that is the mechanics. Okay, so now let's talk about how we're gonna do this for ease of installation on site. Rather than trying to pack the whole thing, what I do is oftentimes I will do it in sections of garland. And so I'm gonna show you how to build that garland. So first of all, I've got 2 260s. That's those long skinny balloons, they're tied together. And I've got a quad. A quad is 2 duplets. A duplet is 2 balloons tied together. And we take 2 sets of 2 balloons tied together, and we twist those together, and that gives us a quad. And then we're just going to take our 260 and tie it into the quad, figure 8 it around it a couple times for security. Okay, I'm gonna get down on the floor here. Oh, my knees. And now what we wanna do is now we use 2 because we want the length and we also wanna be able to control it without losing it. But we also want it pretty taut. So, you know, you should be able to kind of play some balloon bass on it here. Smoke on the wood. I'm just kidding. Okay, I can neither play music nor sing, so just so we got that out of the way. All right, so for this pattern, what we're doing is we're doing sets of 4. We're doing what's called a color block pattern. So that is, we're doing a block of black, a block of white, a block of red. So we're just going to go ahead and figure 8 one quad to the next. So there's our 2 quads. 3 quads, 4 quads, just like that, just kind of figure 8 it, put on our white one, and now you get the idea, so I went ahead and did the rest already to make it fast and easy. So we'll just put these 2 together. Okay, so there we go. We have our garland with our color blocks. Normally I'll do them in sets of 10 just for ease of transportation, but because we have a pattern that for each revolution requires 12 balloons, we've done it in 12. I mean 12 quads, let me rephrase that, not 12 balloons. Actually, it would be 48 balloons because 12 times 4 is 48, and I passed 4th grade. All right, so now what we're gonna do, I think we'll start on the black side. And all we're gonna do, let me see if I can come around so you can watch me do it, is we're just going to kind of massage this on to our frame. Just like so. Do. Now, the reason that I do it like this is because when I'm going to a job site, I want to spend as little time on site as possible. I want to just look like a pro, come in, boom, 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 do it, and get out. All right, now I'm gonna bring this out because I'm not tall enough to reach up to the top of it. And we'll just continue on. Thank you. Okay, the hardest part is when you're putting one section next to the next. Sometimes it kind of wants to gap, so you just gotta be really careful to place that next balloon really tight on it. Okay, so there we go. We could just leave it like this, but we're not going to, because we want to embellish it and we want to like zhuzh it up and like make it really wow and fun. So we've got these soup balloons, or any casino themed balloon for that matter, and we're just gonna glue them on. So let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got my sticky tabs here, and these are just air-filled, as you know, because they're not flying away. And when you put them onto the balloons, basically what you want to do is you first want to try to see where is it that it actually connects. So a lot of time we want to pre-prepare it and we want to try to put the sticky tabs on it in advance. Don't do that. Do it as you go so that you can see, okay, this is where it touches, and then put the sticky tab where it actually touches. And another secret about the sticky tabs is that if they are warm, they stick better. So if you keep them in your pocket until you're ready to use them, then you're gonna have better results with them. A super fun casino arch. I mean, tell me that this is not going to set the scene for any casino themed event, right? I mean, yeah, this is so much fun. People love it. It's great for a photo backdrop. It's great for an entrance, or just, you know, to set up in your living room because you got too much time on your hands. Anyways, if you guys like this, please click the like button. Give me some love. Tell me that you like it. Tell me what else do you want to learn. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and tell everyone you know to subscribe to my channel. And if you want the written instructions, this is in the DIY Balloon Bible, Themes and Dreams. Okay, and you should also get my other books on Amazon because they're pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. I put my heart and soul into these books, so I hope you guys like them. And until next time, go forth and balloonify.